So that's what my second advice for you guys is about the shape. The shape has also a lot of inclination towards font. What kind of font are you using? Why are you using this font? Like if I just show you this chapter 2 and February. Now see, these two fonts have a beautiful shape coming up in. Like if it's center align, February center align, and chapter 2 is just as a center proportion to D and R, where you can have that particular thing as a highlighter over there. So if you know and you're using your font, just see how that font is moving into that particular frame. If it's moving a little wide, if it's moving a little close, what you can do is you can use some effects, like you can use letter spacing like this, you can use line spacing like this, and you can have a very better alignment of your font on the basis of your graphic design. Coming to the last point about graphic designing is the branding guidelines. Normally, whenever we work with a client, we make sure that we create a proper guidelines for them. When we are preparing those guidelines, we make sure that we have a color palette, we have a specific font, we have a font of various ratios, like how that font will go on a digital platform, how that font will go on print, how that font will go on a brochure, how that font will go on any kind of a different printable format or a digital format. On the basis of this, we try to fix it, that this is how your exact brand will look like. For example, I'll just show you one of our branding guidelines for one of our client so that you can have an idea. If you think whatever the tips that I shared about color, proportion, shape, font and branding guidelines is valuable to you as a graphic designer, just share your comments below and I would love to chat with you and bring more value to your life. So thank you so much.